Howdy folks, welcome back to Maine Boy Outdoors. To Manly Boy Outdoors. We just ran into a bit of a hitch. This chain here just quite literally broke. So what we're doing it just broke off of that saw right there. So what we're doing is we are using a head to a pole saw. That is what we're using right there. I'll give you a little bit of footage. This is what happens, and this is what you have to use when you are broke down. So, we thank the good Lord for a backup saw. Now, granted, is this gonna take a while? Is this as fast as the saw, as the chainsaw? Nope, but I tell you what, it's a lot better than nothing at all. Thought you guys might want to see a bit of footage of this, so that is why we are doing this. We've almost got this whole thing cut. However, we aren't quite there just yet. But, my Godfrey, we are just about finished with this one log. This is mainly for stuff like this. But, in the event that we have a situation like this, where the chain just broke a few minutes ago, that is why we are using this head to a pole saw. Certainly better than not having anything at all. I'm gonna take a break for a minute. Switch to the other hand here. Don't mind the noise in the background. That's just vehicles going by the homestead. Y'all might want to see a bit of footage of this, that's why. It's primarily why I am cutting with this at the moment. Want to thank you all for watching, folks. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you all for watching.